Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxime channel, a channel where we bring you the best and craziest traffic clips captured on camera. Before we start with today's episode, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest content as well. With that out of the way, we can now focus on this episode. Enjoy! This biker seems to enjoy messing around with this angry old guy. He stopped by to talk to him, and things went down south pretty fast when the old guy found out that he was being recorded.
Chcesz, żeby taką walną kamerkę?
A to nagrane będzie.
Wiesz? A wiesz, że nie można nagrywać mnie?
A ja nigdzie nie będę wstawiał.
Nie, proszę wyłączyć kamerę.
Do choroszczy.
Chcesz piznąć po łypie? Chcesz piznąć po łypie?
Tam.
Chcesz, kurwa? To piznę ciebie, wiesz? Gnoju? Zarobiłeś, kurwa?
In this clip, the driver left his camera to record while he was in a parking lot waiting for an appointment. He didn't count on capturing a crash at the intersection, but he did. They say that bad things usually happen just when you are about to do something good. This biker decided to go to the beach and enjoy himself, but he couldn't imagine this was about to happen. A tree fell down and blocked the road, but that's not a problem for this biker. Why?
Okay. I don't know if you can get through there. Yeah, I can get through there.
Oh, it's the silky soul to the rescue.
We took this one off it.
Silky soul to the rescue. I'd personally never take one when I ride out, but after seeing this clip, I think I might change that. It all started when the guy asked homeless people in his area to work, and they replied with, "They don't have to." Ever since then, they exchange some words like this when they encounter each other.
Go get a job! Go to work! What a
Even in the construction zone, where you are supposed to drive slow, there are snowflakes who drive like this. Never be like this guy here.
What the f*** are you doing?
Once again, this is why we all love bikers.
And your cab dome brake is out too. Your blinker is functioning, but the bulb's just burnt out on this side.
Right.
I don't want to see you get pulled over. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, buddy, your bike's smoking quite a bit. What the heck? What's your problem?
What the f, man? Really, bro? You gotta block me like that? Man, that guy completely blocked me.
This one is a complete mess. When it comes to this clip, I'll just say that you have to watch your rear view mirror when you reverse, which is logical, of course. But apparently, logic does not apply to this driver. See for yourselves.
Nice!
This biker was out riding as usual when all of a sudden he got approached by a stranger. From the first glance, you could tell that the guy looked like he needed help. His shirt was sweaty from a lot of walking and it looked like he was searching for the address on the paper. He stopped to ask the biker for some help and the biker did the best he could to help him.
Direto. Tá. Você tá de quê? De a pé?
When he learned the whole situation this guy found himself in, he couldn't help but to give him some money. Much respect to this kind-hearted biker. Hopefully, his kindness will turn back to him double times.
E vejo que você tá desempregado, mas eu sei que vai te dar uma força aí, beleza?
Amém.
Vai lá, tá certo. Falou. Pode ir, vai, atravessa aí e vai pela calçada, beleza?
With times like this, when you don't know where gas is going to go, come on, Ultima. What are you doing, buddy? God damn, what the... See, this is always Nissan Altima drivers.
This is a rather strange situation in which the biker found himself. He accidentally hit a hawk who tried to fly away with a mouse he caught. And again, a rather strange situation, but with a peacock this time. Luckily, the biker didn't hit him.
Seta! Seta, cadê a seta? Cadê a seta?
Porra da seta aí, pau no cu.
This biker got almost hit by someone who doesn't know what mirrors are for on his vehicle.
Doido do caralho, porra. Liga a porra da seta. Bicho doido da porra, velho.
If this isn't a rude maneuver, then I don't know what is.
Ei, filho da puta. Cachorro miserável. Ixi. Quase.
This is what happens when you don't pay attention at the traffic lights. These pedestrians tried to walk across the road when it was green for the vehicles, and they found themselves in a rather unpleasant situation.
Está maluco, né, bicho?
It's not usual to see street performers, so we got one for you. Even though he failed in the beginning, he managed to get it right the second time.
Tava gravando?
Tava gravando.
Oi, ainda bem que não, porque foi um momento feio.
O negócio quase caiu.
Presta lá, irmão. Passa mais pra cá.
Ai, caramba, acho que eu tava muito avançado. Bem no meio da pista, ó. Sai daí, doido. Vai morrer, velho. Vem devagar, ceiro. Bem no meio do corredor. Olha.
This is what happens when you use your phone while driving. In this situation, one driver that is about to appear in the roundabout lost control of his vehicle and rear-ended a truck that was in front of him. Luckily, he wasn't driving fast and no one got injured in this situation.
Oxi! Ah, ele escorregou, né, velho? Mano, tem que fechar isso aqui, cara. Olha isso, o cara acabou de bater. Pega esse tambor, já bota aqui, pô. Pra ter que fechar essa pista aqui já. Caramba.
Not the greatest idea to do a U-turn here.
What the hell?
Douche in the Hyundai. It's as if he wants to like come. What are you doing? Learn how to drive. I knew he was up to no good.
This biker got cut off by a lady behind the wheels who didn't pay attention at him at all. And boy oh boy, was he angry about it. This is a clear example of how you're not supposed to drive.
You wanna pay attention?
Apparently not. This police officer ran a red light, something we don't see too often. Actually, we are not supposed to see this at all. He noticed that the biker tried to pull up to him, and he sped up just to avoid a conversation. A true law enforcer here.
Wow, you didn't run that at all.
Pay close attention at the truck driver on the left side of the road. He had some difficulties in staying in one lane, and he almost caused an accident because of it. And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another epic episode on Maxime channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hopefully learned something from other people's mistakes we showed you. Always remember to be extra cautious in traffic, and if you're a fan of this type of content, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe as well. Until the next episode, drive safe, ride safe, and take care.